Fukubukuro, 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 Fukubukuro bag. Hey everybody, so today we're going to be opening up my Tatcha package. And if you don't know what Tatcha is, it's this Japanese skincare company. And I've been using their water cream and their facial cleanser, and I really like how it's making my skin feel. So it's just what I've been buying every single time now. And I saw that they were doing this promotion where if you spend $100, they give you this Fukubukuro mystery bag. And I think Fukubukuro is this Japanese tradition where you give somebody a mystery bag on New Year's, and they're supposed to open it up and it gives them good luck for the rest of the year. So Tatcha was doing their own version of it where they stuffed it with their products, and I think it's supposed to value over $100, so I thought it was a great deal. And what it looks like from last year, everybody was getting different products in their bags, so I'm pretty excited to open it up and see what we get. And let's go ahead and do that. First impressions, I love the inside. It looks very nice, and it comes with a card. It did let me choose some samples, so I'm assuming that's what's inside the card. And what I chose was the Violet Sea Radiance Mask. I chose the Rice Polish Classic. And I chose the Pearl Eye Treatment and Underlight. So, in order to get the Fukubukuro bag, I had to spend $100. And the first thing I picked was the water cream. I really love how this makes my skin feel. So normal creams are normally too dewy not dewy, but makes me feel wet. And I like it to feel like my skin has absorbed the cream and makes me feel like hydrated. And I feel like this does it just right for me. I have normal to a little bit of dry skin, so this is just perfect for me. So unfortunately, they didn't have the larger size of their cleanser, but I bought two of the smaller ones. I really like how these cleansers work because it isn't too harsh, and I do have sensitive skin, so this is pretty great for me. And the last thing I got to get to the $100, I actually spent like around $115, was the exfoliating bar soap. I was kind of intrigued by it and really wanted to try it, so here it is. And lastly, I have the Fukubukuro bag. I'm super excited because I've waited all week to open this up. And the packaging looks really nice. It actually feels really nice. And it has a nice message in the back. It says, Fukubukuro, or Lucky Bag, is a much anticipated New Year custom in Japan. This mystery shopping event is a special treat where a grab bag said to be filled with luck can be purchased at an amazing value. And that's exactly what I feel like I got. So let's see what we got. Who's wrapped in some paper? Let's see. Oh, okay. So the first thing I see is this Magnolia Bloom lip balm. I'm not sure how I feel about this. It does look like pink and sparkly. I'm not sure if I would use this colors per se, but I'm willing to try it out. The other thing I see is a pure one-step cleansing oil. It says to dispense 2 to 3 pumps into dry hands and massage onto dry face for 10 seconds. And then rinse into this. I would definitely use this. Okay. Okay, and I know what this is. This is a smaller version of the water creams that I got. It's always good to have more, so I'm pretty happy about this. Ooh, okay, and I do see some luminous, deep hydrating, revitalizing eye masks. I got 2 of those. I would definitely use these. I buy different brand ones, but I'm excited to see what the Tatcha ones are like. I'm really into eye masks because I do get like puffy eyes sometimes, and they get dark circles, so these are really helpful for that. Okay. And I have gotten this before. This is the Luminous Deep Hydrating Lifting Mask. This is like the whole face mask. I got the eye ones, and now I have the whole face ones too. And these are pretty great because it does leave my skin feeling very hydrated and moist. And I do like how it makes me feel. So in the end, this is everything I ended up getting. I did end up spending like $115 on just these products, the 2 cleansers, the water cream, and the exfoliating soap. It is a higher end product, so I do feel like I got a relatively good deal because I did get everything else for free. I got the mask, the two eye masks, my lip balm, the cleanser, and a smaller water cream, plus the other three samples. Um, I did try the lip balm right now. I do like how it made my lips feel. It wasn't as sparkly as I thought it was going to be, so I do feel like I would use it more often. The cleanser, I was interested in this cleanser, so I'm pretty happy I did get it. And like I said earlier, it is always good to have more of the cream, and it's the smaller travel size, so I can take this with me if I had to. And lastly, we do have these masks, the eye mask and the face mask. Like I said, I've used the face mask before, and I'm pretty excited to use the eye mask because I do get puffy eyes and dark circles, so this will be very helpful. So all in all, I have used some of these products before, but I am really excited to try out the products I have not used. So I'm going to test them out for a couple of days and then give you my final thoughts and opinions. Hey guys, so it's been a couple of days since I initially got the package and I just tried out some of the products I haven't tried before because the water cream, the facial cleanser, and the face mask I have tried before and I know they're good products. But I wanted to try out the ones I hadn't and give my review on them. So the first thing I did try out was the oil-based cleanser. I'm really happy about it because I do feel like it did a great job. It's supposed to gently cleanse the skin without removing the natural moisture from it. And I definitely feel like it succeeded at that. My skin does not feel dry in any way, and I don't feel like I need to moisturize immediately. So that's nice. And it's a plus that I didn't leave like, an oily residue that I find that some oil cleansers do sometimes. So this is really great. I would definitely buy this again. The other thing I tried on again and wearing right now is the lip balm. And I'm really happy about the lip balm because as you can see, it doesn't really look like I'm wearing anything. I just didn't want it to look like I was wearing makeup or like too sparkly. And I really don't think it is. It looks pretty natural and it smells great and I like how it makes my lips feel. So I would definitely buy this again. So the last thing I will review is the bar of soap. Initially, I thought the bar was very cute because it does have this nice little Tatcha pattern on the side, which is nice. It does smell really great, and it's supposed to have like this rice bran in it, and that's going to be the exfoliating part of the soap. But I did just try it, and I don't feel like I felt any huge difference from any other bar of soap. So I'm not really too sure how I feel about this soap, and I don't know if I would buy it again because it was a pretty pricey soap. So in the end, I ended up spending like around $125 for the water cream, the two small cleansers, and the bar of soap. And I am okay with what I spent because Tatcha is like a higher end brand. I'm not surprised that it was a little pricey, but everything is really good quality. So it's justifiable in some sense. And I am really, really happy with everything I ended up getting in my Fukubukuro bag because I ended up getting around $119 worth of products all for free. And I am really happy with everything I got because it did end up coming with the oil cleanser, the lip balm, which both I loved, and it came with those face masks that I will use eventually, and some extra water cream. So everything is very useful for me, so I do think that I got a great deal. In the end, it ended up being a great haul, and if you didn't participate this year, I know it's becoming a yearly thing, so you'll definitely have next year and you'll be able to participate. I know I am this year because I got an amazing deal. How could I turn it down? But unfortunately, this brings us to the end of our video, so if you like this content, please like and subscribe below.